I have are pretty much shot. I went riding last time and ended up putting a nail or something through it, so I had to get that patched, and I don't want to, you know, go on a 2 or 3 hour ride and end up having to keep plugging that hole. So we're gonna head up there and get them, and then once we buy them, we will come back to being on vlog number 2. Alright, we just picked them up. They're pretty new. I mean, they still have the paint stripes on them. He said they don't do too good in the deep holes just because they don't really have side lugs. But these are Maxxis M978s. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my music off so we don't get copyright infringement. And I got the big ones in the back hill on top of all my stuff, and then I got the little ones up front, which they're all pretty much freaking brand new, man. All of them still have the paint on them. They said they only had about 150 miles on them, so I guess I'll believe him. But yeah, because I was sitting there talking to him, and he also watches one of the YouTubers I watch too, so that was kind of cool. Sorry for all the camera shake. Got my seatbelt on here. But as you can see, it's only like 29 minutes away. So we're gonna head on home and compare these to the ones I have on it right now, and we might get them put on today, we might not. Just depends on how much time I have before I have to go to work. But that's it for now, and we'll be back. Alrighty, well, these are the new tiles compared to the old tiles. You can see there's not much left on these. This is the one I had to put a patch in, and then these are the new ones. Though I think the old ones are a little bit taller, but then again, they have air in them, and these don't, so these should rise up a little bit. Then here's the fronts. Currently, what's on the front is a swamp witch, and I'm gonna be putting this Maxxis M975 on the front, and then on the back I'm gonna be putting a Maxxis M978, and I'm gonna be replacing the mud lights on the back. But yeah, I'm gonna see if there's a tile shop open today. It's Saturday, so I don't know if there is, but if not, we can just do them Monday. It's not that big of a deal. But even though these 4 tiles are pretty much, you know, bald, like that really is bald, and they just have side lugs left, they actually do pretty good. The only reason I bought these is because I got such a good deal on them, and if I don't like them, I can get more than my money back out of them, because they're brand new. They still have the little paint markings on them, and they still have the little nipples too. But I only paid 50 bucks for them. If I don't like them, I can take them back off, sell them, and buy something else. Hell, I could probably even run them a little bit and sell them and still get my money back out of them. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen yet, this is my 2009 Honda Foreman 500. It's a little rough. It's had a hard life. Like the guy that had it before me was really rough on it, and I've fixed a bunch of stuff already on it, and we're gonna be doing some fun stuff with it this summer. So stay tuned. We might go down to Mate 1 again this year, and we're probably gonna go out to Ironton and probably out Wayne a little bit too with it. So we'll see how these tires do, and then I'll do another review on them later on. But this isn't the review, this is just vlog number 2. So when I go to have them mounted and balanced, that'll start the review on these. Alrighty, well, that's gonna be it for today. And thank you for coming along. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and do everything.